Good day, everyone. So this is the continuation of our lesson in MS Word. And today we're going to learn the borders and shading. Borders and shading. MS Word allows user to add borders and apply shading option to a page and the selected text. A border is a line or pattern surrounding the page or a cell in the margin area. You can set the text apart from the rest of the document by adding borders and shading. So how to apply shadings in MS Word? Now let's move to MS Word. Now here in MS Word, we have a text already, and then we need to apply the borders and shading. So just select the paragraph of text that you want to apply the borders and shading, and then go to home, home, and then look for the borders. So the borders is here. Just click this, and then now you can now apply the borders of the paragraph. As you can see, every time you move the mouse from every option, you can see the different application of borders. So now if you choose all borders, you can select this if you like this. So just click this, and now all borders has been applied. Now if you want the borders and shading, just go back again to borders and then go to borders and shading. And then here, if you want to have a page border in the page, so you can select this page border, and then you can set the style. Let's say you want a dotted line, so you can use this a dotted line. If you want a solid line, you can select a solid line. The color, if you want to change the color, you can change the color of the page border. Again, the page border is the border inside the page. We will set a border inside the page. And now just if you want the width to be 2 and 1/4 width or a 3-point width, or you can select this. As you can see, the border of the page looks something like this. So if you want to apply to the whole document, you can do this and then click apply. Okay, let's try applying these settings in the page border. So as you can see, a page border has been created and applied to the whole document. So if you want to change this, again, go to borders and then borders and shading. Again, go to page border. So if you want an art like border, you can do this in MS Word. Let's say you want to have the border with an art like this. So we can do this. Let's say you want a star-like border. So let's use the star-like border. So just select this. As you can see, The page border looks something like this if I press OK. Now let's apply this. Just press OK. As you can see, the page border looks like a star-like border and applied to the whole document. So if you want a shading in your paragraph, you can do this again. Just return back to borders, go back to borders and shading, and then go to the shading tab. So if you want to have a color, a fill color, so you can select a fill color. So if you want a color like this, let's say for example, and if you want a pattern like a 10% pattern, so you can do this, the color, again, in shading, you need to set the fill color, the pattern, the style, let's say 10%, and the color of the pattern. And then if you want to apply to a paragraph, you can do this. If you want to apply to a text, you can also do this. But in this example, we will use apply to the whole paragraph. And then just press OK. So as you can see, the shading has been created. The pattern has been created. So this is how you can use borders and shading in MS Word. Thank you and see you again. Bye bye.